Hello, I saw your question on discussion board. Warehouse employs 27 workers on first shift, 16 on second, and 10 on third. So second and third have a total of 26 people. In total, 53 altogether. 8 workers are chosen at random to be interviewed about the work environment. Find the probability of choosing exactly 5 first shift workers. Well, there's 27 first shift workers, and you want to choose exactly 5 of them. So that'd be 27, choose 5. Well, you're going to choose a total of 8, so that means you have 3 remaining on the other 2 shifts. So you multiply that times the other 2 shifts, 26, choose 3. Then divide it by the total number. You have 53 employees, and you're going to choose 8 of them. So you put this in the calculator, and that'll give you the probability of choosing exactly 5 first shift workers. Hope that helps.